And I was like, I want that.
This is for my bougie friends. 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 This is for my bougie friends.
All right, you guys, today we're going to be reviewing HairVivi's Fake Scalp wig. I don't know if you guys have heard about it, but it's like a new take on like a pre-made wig that you don't have to do any customizing. You don't have to wear a wig cap or anything. I'm trying like a new style that I saw on Rihanna. Everybody's wearing it, girl. This new 90s flip hairstyle. Automatically what I like is that their wig cap is adjustable. The bands are adjustable, which I love. And y'all know I have a small head, so tighter strap for me, please. I had already cut the lace, but I forgot the back. I will have all the details down below in the description, you guys. Okay, so let's put her on. I'm tucking my braids in, and it comes literally just like this out of the box. And they gave me like a side part. You guys, the ear tabs, you can kind of like tighten it so it stays flat right here. I really love that. So you just bend it and it like stays onto your temple. And this is what the part looks like. It literally came just like that, you guys. Just like that. And I guess you can do a middle part because it has like an underlay, like under the wig. You can do a middle part or the other side part. That's super cool. I really like how you can wear this out of the box, you guys. And especially if you're gonna wear it on the side, you don't need to do any you don't need to reinforce it with any got to be glued because it just lays flat like that. Y'all, it lays so well and it matches my skin tone. Y'all see that? Okay, HairVivi. I really like it, you guys. Look. So this is the style I wanted. I'm gonna put a picture. Actually, I'm gonna find it. Okay, you guys, so I saw this picture of Rihanna. Look. Look, you guys. Look. And I was like, I want that. That's like all the rage now. So I'm gonna try to achieve this style, which explains my eyeshadow because she's wearing like blue eyeshadow. I don't know if I messed it up or not, but I don't know, you guys. I'm trying to think outside the box, go for some looks I wouldn't normally try. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try to probably flatten this side, get the bang going, and then I'm going to work on the flip. So I got my curling iron and I got my flat iron just in case, and I also have my hot comb. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this side lay a little bit more flat with my hot comb. I'm just going to put my hot comb close to the roots, but not at the roots. Do not burn yourselves. And I'm still debating if I wanna secure this down or not. I just put a little bit of hairspray and it will lay flat just like that. So now I'm just going backwards with the hot comb, just so like this, I can pull it behind my ear, kind of like how she's wearing it. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and just flatten out the side. Ooh, that is hot, girl. The hair is still hot, so I'm just holding it down like this so it stays down. I noticed that she has a lot of volume in her hair. To get like the 90s flip style, you kind of want to leave it kind of like that and then flip the ends. You don't want it all flat. I think I'm going to keep here like this so it gives a little volume. Next, I'm going to flatten right here to get this little hump out. Like that. And this is how much parting space you get, you guys. You can even like do like a little curve part. It's about, how many inches is this, a parting space? It gives you quite a lot, you guys. Ooh, it's coming together nicely. This almost reminds me of Aaliyah, like an Aaliyah style. Okay. Shoot, girl, that might be the next tutorial. Okay, so I got it as flat as I could. It's so like bouncy. This wig already looks laid, okay? I love it. It feels like relaxed, like smooth, nice, freshly, healthy, relaxed hair. That's what it feels like. And it flows really good. So now I'm gonna try to achieve this bump, okay? Let's hope I don't mess it up. So I'm gonna try this curling iron first. Either 1.5, 1.25 inch barrel. And I got this, what, at a thrift store or a yard sale or something. So usually you would flip it like this. I'm gonna try to flip it like, wait, like that, I think. No, wait. Yeah, I'm gonna hold the clamp towards me. Like, you know how when you curl your hair, you hold the clamp like opposite, and then you press it like this, and then you roll it away from you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to flip it to where my thumb is on the clamp, and I'm gonna curl it away from me. So I just saw this style a couple times. I had no idea how they got it done, but I like to just try it myself to see if I could do it first. So I don't know how they did it, but Riri's looked super bouncy and it had like a really nice flip. So that's what I'm trying to achieve, you guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try it a few times. So if you guys try this style, do not be afraid to keep trying. Try it a few times and see which way you like it best. So I'm gonna try to turn it 2 times and then see if that gets like the big arc that Rihanna has. Yep. Okay, I'm doing the other section. Hold my thumb on the barrel, hold it inward, curl away from my face. Okay, I'm gonna hold it for a few seconds so it can cool. So it can cool like this. You know what, you guys? I would not be surprised if the stylist, like, they pinned the curls. I wouldn't be surprised if they curled it and then pinned the curls real quick until she got ready. And then, you know, Rihanna had them bomb flips. Yep, look at that, you guys. Let me try to brush it. Oh, cute. I already know I'm probably gonna have to layer the front. This one is a little long because it's like a long bob, like a lob. So I'll probably put a few layers in, nothing drastic, because I want to still, you know, keep the versatility of the wig. And I can be a perfectionist sometimes. So it's like, that can be a bad thing, because if you do too much, then the style becomes like, you know, if you look too many times, it just starts to look ugly when it looked fine the first time. So I'm gonna try to be careful of that. So I'm gonna grab this section and I'm going to combine the curls. That's gonna merge them so they're like the same angle and they're like going the same way. I'm gonna hold it for a little bit. So how you guys like my makeup? Like, this monochromatic thing is so new for me, you guys. Look, oh my gosh. I saw Riri wearing it and I was like, let me try. Hope I didn't mess it up. So let me know how you guys like it. It's so new, but I mean, I really love the color, and she was wearing white, which totally goes, but I just have this top for now. This top is from Grass Fields. It's like an off the shoulder, what do you call it? It's one piece and it ties in the front and it's a crop top. So I'm gonna do the back just so I can, you know, look back there, and then I'm going to come back and then we're gonna take care of the front with the bang. I'm gonna put some layers in the front because that's how Riri had it. So I'm going to like give it a little bit more shape so I can create a bang. So I'm only taking a little bit off at a time, not a lot. I don't want to mess this up. Okay, and these aren't the best bangs in the world, and I use like some crappy scissors, but I did it just so I can curl the front. So I'm gonna curl the front like the normal way, like that. Let me see, I have to look at the picture again, you guys. Yeah, I don't know, she had it like almost like she had like a really short bang. I don't know, you guys. This is how I do my bootleg bangs. I just twist it away from my face. Okay, you guys, I don't want to mess it up anymore, so I'm going to leave it like this. I'm having a hard time figuring out like what to do with this bang. She had it like this, but it was super like short in the front like that. You see what I'm saying? You guys get what I'm talking about. So, okay, let's just keep that for now so we don't mess it up anymore. And then we're gonna do this side. And by now I have the hang of it. I just press this with my thumb and curl away. And you can also use a protective glove, which is preferred so you don't burn yourself. I have one of these right here. It protects you from like heat damage of like a flat iron and a curling iron, so you don't burn your fingertips. So 90s. And it doesn't have to be perfect, so we can just keep fixing it and keep curling it. I can kind of go back in and then join the sections and curl it again, just like that. This is the basics of the style that Rihanna did, and after this you can go in and just fix the flips. You can combine them with the iron and just pin them together so it flows as like one. So I'm gonna try that, and I'm gonna come to you guys with the final look. So this is what the wig looks like. I curled it a little bit more. It looks just like Riri's. Hers is probably like an inch shorter, but I think I nailed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do not forget to smash that like button and let me know what you think about this new flip trend. It's very 60s but also 90s, so I would love to know your thoughts on that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.